Hey, Bia Kamal, Nirmala Kenyam, Tim Gorno Bay, you know, the Guasameka YouTube channel. Like YouTube channel, go to YouTube video, like by the way, so let me show you. Many YouTube channel, this one. YouTube channel, may show Nuer Online Tech. Then go ready, you know, the Jane. Tangwen the Labeja long on Obishano Lebonium, but Michi drop down did it when I'm with the mission. I said, go and tell me, did setting, did especially most important thing is setting. You go direct to your setting, okay, right here, let me show you. You go direct into your setting, you click setting here, and then on the setting, between Condi Lel become I guasamene. And then we're gonna start one by one. Name actually general, Michi YouTube channel, any general being you go down in la you like gerketin. Like you can change it to dollar to any currencies that you want. Misha don't monetize. So did keep in mind, you know, Mugur Genobine may be a gear, then we go be the you know, Te Muguri no Latin. So you make sure that you change everything here, okay? Name okay, general will be the BUBK Gedi Kalat Guadan and Gorimon, okay? Let's do that. And then next one, Michelle K channel. The channel is very important, okay? And the channel Guasame, and then the country did a girl, okay? Did road country did Latinoni, Gorini, Qatar, Gorini with the down did Latin, South Africa, they input South Africa. So, Michi Nanata, South Africa, share Latin, a country of resident, a very important. La country in and Guasame can the country shall accept YouTube, a local they can monetization, they can a lot, which in me. So they last American, they last Australia, they last with the damage. So don't worry, Miss Guardia and then they look at Dobran, they know. But remember, Gurijan will be setting to become mechanic country, mechanic girl, okay, can even Kajan sharing, can work channel Guasame, even basic information, you know, a lot of Chikarodian Bino, Chico, don't they imagine you watch out, Kukadi, subscriber, Kukadi, you know, you need to see the progress. The process of how you're going to finish your requirements that are needed for monetization. So mechanical dental problem. Meridian Guasame keyword are very important. I may try a keyword. A keyword a lot of you could do down there cool a keyword let the Guasa down and don't see YouTube share large. And Missy video share upload and then bangaginating content kwa channel kwaja gore. You know, don't they jo level ka channel cocaine. It go and tell me Missy Gorno let me share more. Amadi le janane diri gorno jin bi channel ala channel dan le ditin gwad mani ana bi men raje ka kwide bi la jetama di nan challenge how to make money on Facebook, how to make money on YouTube, you know, all the process, how to upload videos, you know, how to do YouTube setting, you know, how to change country of resident, can all that thing mishianga then biteri gwad mo. So bi gorno bi leli bi ka gor ka chin ko ka very important gwasama. After that, Michi talk on Kajan Michelle keyword, and you know, it's just a keyword. You just simply put be a type. Chetam don't they do they type guada me mugorja. I'll show Michi complete the okay. Michelle at Goma, let me simply say it YouTube. Okay. I mean YouTube mono. A check on then become bella. The anen guada beroda add already. So mugor didn't they choose letters, so let me simply remove that. And then Michi talk was a key and then gen basic information. Boka Michelle advanced setting. Advanced setting a mugo alunkaji. Advanced setting what memen gorgetin. Ala sometime Michi video she upload. Don't they let the jacka said this channel has made for kit. Ala video recharge Bugijan ideal. Bugi guardian. So me jagga chelele not made chelele this said this to made for kit. Cha video recharge in cocaine. Catch a yami jagga then by channel by the kujamo. So go ya be careful. Then go to be like no said this channel has not made for kit. Me don't let it queen entity be like gentleman. But me let it no quigan be like yes name. I want to review the setting for every video. Let's say mishi video she la no beji jogono go re lat kamu lo be yumi option but ka chalas can no set this channel is not made for kit code yo change video cha upload cha ble tinyo be ngaje no wan cha kwan kamana gore so na me gore je dere ngaje very important along you know no be fin gwa the me tell me gore tin no but you simply have to change this alone correct this one okay Marian Guazame future eligibility. Future eligibility is very important because we done daily channel that on the amkaja. Future eligibility gentlemen lot katin. Alamishi channel mishi chile for the first time. Temi chale standard future nemene. So mishi corner level ta guadine. Guadame be jago add calibration to playlist la deri video nuko deri la playlist ko je allow add new video to existing playlist deri video ba deri jelat ka playlist da wo mishi video nuko yo goy kaka de video mo chabu ka ko de video mo dara bena jana download ke so bi ngaje na mo take future eligibility na mo na me menyam bi ngaje me no deri video deri upload na me jana kamo jike nyam mi chaja allow no chi tere chi gatu and then be tick belel enable aroda gwasme Bejinonka intermediate futures. This is very important. Intermediate future. Kay intermediate future gwada binano baji tike mobile number. So metal ji mobile number then che borage. Gorjano bi mobile number bijala bija confirm. So be verified gwada dan titeno and mobile number a country dan titeno. Okay. Gorjano ba ngajeno jini jiran jini human. So bichu larajeno mo be verified. Okay. You michi accept and then they allow ko de thumbnail de update especially michi video chela raika gorje ko thumbnail ko je customize so they jel waka je another thing was me de localize streaming michi enable de live video de lot but me ken la tele live video me de lot live video ko YouTube go requirement go je no mi jiram jidit go ge subscribe or to ko jendang di that thing I think they on there go American was a video longer than 15 minutes. Me jenu ko video me take 15 minutes ko elat ka ni channel kan je verify ke mobile number then chai benok be kana gagrar so gorjen obi mobile number be je verified na many ken advanced future me lada ko jin me charge kunok charge monetize okay ke charge anokono chet ko ontame me dong che chop dong shi strike je ka YouTube channel then they can allow ko they can allow ko they appeal kake so to reality diri ke external link in video description especially mishi video description chelat alama la gwara ke video pin alama load video mishi la rech and then kacha they can no gono video gwata na gwata de link de lat otherwise and then tell me to onyok create more live stream daily there ya winishi anka live video mishi gwata mishi chop and then create more short daily no test and compare different thumbnail de ke landamo upload more videos daily so they can allow me to make a little YouTube and many of one ko ngushumuted a monetization to chubungwasmo between eligible to apply for monetization after that michi talk so gwada me michi talk be served so na me go no they keep in mind manadian buoka mechelel permission permission gwada me upload sorry one upload default gwada me basic information title na many go lan let la mishi video she upload then belan jalan but me jini ga tai don gori jeno dara chwa kanni mandana chila rajoro de no won jeta don de goro no Nuer Online Tech no more jan da ja kanisham but in this case ko la kona upload different videos so you don't have to put anything there so na me jana chwa video description man gor kone a video description gwaza me a wojin de mandan en right ke video de la rej na mene very important long bodera under jalede ko gorke jeno de under jalat very important you should keep that in mind okay mu gorje de la reche enta che description chalat american gwaza me chalele visibility take a public take a private take unlisted public mu gorje no bajiga ne dial private and mishi link che jakran be ko logic otherwise che de okay be you always put it in public gwaza me taga mandana ndong lalat ko dong te kane tin wante ba video ba jik alama lod video de title dong te ramade je sergeant title ma be chula right tin ngwada me chot chidenta how to use YouTube TV how to use YouTube application and all that this thing michikala and then tell her be ala ne commaten and then from there be issue served michi talk and then you go down after you finish we ben ka advanced setting your gwada me advanced setting jen gwada dan and be dor be gor gwada me tem cha gor gwada me mugur jeno bi dun bi al kala to very important you should keep it in mind ko dere lat in a minute gwada me man gor kona tem cha lel gwada caption certification gor je bi lel this content has never aired in US in a minute this content has never aired on television in US so gor jeno be change no money after that we benka comment section be las con mugur jeno benad be comment keji kamishi godi las ko when you don't want moderation mugur jeno te ramde je loko dong daira nyingo daira ka cheg and all that but please do not do that chu lel na mane After that, mishi complete ben gwada make a permission. Permission, do not give anyone permission to use your things, okay? Do not do that. The rest of the thing, do not change anything. Aka take a tada and take a thina, special user management. Mishi ramangi chuja come user. Jeta do not gwada micha user chelatin. The nyak family life. So do na mene. So they no right now they manage kuji mimi go reja kata dan la lel keja. So michi complete and then be served with twine. Right now we complete kangu ke setting, which is very important and setting amene. So me jeni we check ata beben ka hen mi chelele heninga. Hening jana gwaza me te under dashboard zim beben ka hening and then we show ben ping gwaza me. Beji lar mandana gorke eligibility ala jin gwaza machine en yalgo de nen chelele en on YouTube. Start your journey earning on YouTube. So na me dairy lel gwaza me temdi gor gwaza me nina. So gwaza me dairy lel jana dairy ben gwaza me ka jana hening beben ping. Be subscriber could begin and gather me challel eligibility me show data as of August 29 a local nyon data take on the jala in 29 and on a be nyotin corner to special right now chala taka 500 subscriber no ta 263 subscriber but go to 500 subscriber but na important geneping gather me that you have to keep in mind gorka ne ti kit kiji mugur jeno by YouTube by monetize 1000 subscriber gorka ke Madian Guazme Gorke watch hour teach of 4,000. So you need to do 4,000 watch hour. Pere Canadi of Kine Dangro, Kinir Kudangro, 200,000 view to Dongde 4,000 watch hour. Kulichop. So much letter she jigana mocheto. Manadian Michalka short and short videos. Valid public short view Gorge 10 million ko bajikul accept ko by short baja monetize. So mekene lel tell away we mo bikene nokaje. So you need to keep this thing in mind, very important. Can all the setting to change the guaseme, Michika Goragua, they can look. So Jen Jordan and Gorno de Nwa Kel, and a banyo jum radian be at Kamal, bye bye.